Investing and saving for the long term are important financial strategies that can help individuals build wealth and achieve financial security. While there are many different ways to save and invest, it's important to understand the options available and choose the approaches that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. One common way to save and invest for the long term is through a retirement account. Retirement accounts such as 401(k)s and individual retirement accounts, IRAs, are designed to help individuals save and invest for the long-term goal of providing income during retirement. Contributions to these accounts may be tax-advantaged, meaning that you may be able to lower your current tax bill by contributing. There are several types of IRAs to choose from, including traditional IRAs and Roth IRAs. Traditional IRAs offer tax-deductible contributions, which means that the money you contribute to the account can be deducted from your taxable income. However, withdrawals from traditional IRAs are taxed as ordinary income. Roth IRAs, on the other hand, do not offer tax-deductible contributions, but withdrawals from the account, including any investment earnings, are tax-free as long as certain conditions are met. 401(k)s are employer-sponsored retirement plans that allow employees to contribute a portion of their salary to the account on a pre-tax basis. Many employers also offer a matching contribution, which can be an effective way to save and invest for the long term. Like traditional IRAs, withdrawals from 401(k)s are taxed as ordinary income. In addition to retirement accounts, individuals may also choose to invest in a diverse portfolio of stocks, bonds, and other assets through a brokerage account. Investing in the stock market can be a way to potentially earn higher returns over the long term, but it's important to understand that the stock market carries inherent risks. It's crucial to do your own research, understand the risks, and diversify your portfolio to spread out your risk. Another option for long-term investing is real estate. This can include purchasing rental properties or investing in a real estate investment trust, right? Real estate can be a stable and potentially lucrative investment over the long term, but it's important to do your due diligence and understand the risks and responsibilities that come with being a landlord or real estate investor. In addition to choosing the right investments, it's also important to have a long-term savings plan in place. This can include setting financial goals and creating a budget to help ensure that you are saving enough money to meet your long-term financial objectives. It can also be helpful to automate your savings, for example by setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings or investment accounts. It's also important to regularly review and assess your investment and savings strategies to make sure they are still aligned with your financial goals and risk tolerance. This may include rebalancing your investment portfolio to ensure that your assets are diversified, or adjusting your contributions to your retirement accounts based on changes in your income or financial situation. In summary, investing and saving for the long term are crucial strategies for building wealth and achieving financial security. It's important to choose the right investments and create a long-term savings plan that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Regularly reviewing and assessing your investment and savings strategies can help ensure that they continue to support your financial objectives. Another important aspect of long-term investing and saving is considering the impact of inflation. Inflation is the general increase in prices and fall in the purchasing value of money over time. This means that the same amount of money will buy you fewer goods and services in the future than it does today. To account for inflation, it's important to choose investments that have the potential to grow in value over time. This could include stocks, real estate, or other assets that have the potential to appreciate in value. It's also important to consider the impact of taxes on your long-term investments and savings. Different types of investments may be subject to different tax rates, and it's important to understand how taxes will affect your overall returns. For example, investments in traditional IRAs and 401(k)s offer tax-advantaged contributions, but withdrawals from these accounts are taxed as ordinary income. On the other hand, investments in a Roth IRA offer tax-free withdrawals as long as certain conditions are met. In addition to choosing the right investments and understanding the impact of taxes, it's also important to have a plan in place to protect your long-term investments and savings. This could include purchasing insurance to protect against potential losses, such as life insurance to provide financial support for loved ones in the event of your death, or disability insurance to provide income if you are unable to work due to illness or injury. Another key aspect of long-term investing and saving is being disciplined and consistent. This means setting aside a portion of your income for saving and investing on a regular basis, rather than only occasionally making large investments. It can also be helpful to set financial goals and track your progress towards achieving them. Finally, it's important to seek the advice of a financial professional if you have questions or concerns about your long-term investing and saving strategy. A financial advisor can help you understand your options and create a plan that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. In conclusion, long-term investing and saving are important financial strategies for building wealth and achieving financial security. It's important to choose the right investments, understand the impact of taxes and inflation, and have a plan in place to protect your investments and savings. Being disciplined and consistent and seeking the advice of a financial professional can also help ensure that your long-term investing and saving efforts are successful.